very nice. Today we are locked without anything.
Yeah.
And that's on the night of May 2025. We have Tornipolku, 15 stakes A here in Gammelbacka, one of the suburbs of Porvoo, Finland. And this is locked off without anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, more so without that. We just one ride because it's not a good situation.
Yeah.
Somebody's calling on the door.
Yeah.
Built in 1974, modernized 2004. Same versus 31172 has been A-B-named originally.
Yeah.
A bit taller.
Yeah.
But could have been 10 floors also.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, yeah, or it would go down to P, or, but I mean,
Yeah.
shall we wait upstairs?
No.
It takes too much time.
Yeah.
Still original door. I'll get it from outside.
Yeah.
So it's an indicator here.
Niin se pitää vaikka lainsuttaa meitä paikkaan. Yeah.
I like this. They didn't renovate the doors,
Yeah.
but it's vandalized.
Yeah.
They should have definitely been faster.
Yeah.
Just a slower speed from that course. That's it, thanks a lot.